What inspired me to go to college was I wanted to continue my education and pave a way for me to have a better life and be able to get a really good job.
This is probably my proudest moment in college right now, graduating. It's an accumulation of everything I've ever done for the past 23 years, and I think that's something to be proud of.
While in college, my friend Zena has always supported me. We are in the same major, applied math and computer science, and I don't think I'd be here today without her because she's given me so much support, has helped me when I've missed class. We've done a lot of homework together and everything, so having her there, having someone that I could rely on easily, made a huge difference for me.
There's definitely a lot I'll miss. I'll definitely miss my friends just being right down the road from me and asking them to hang out whenever I want. I'll miss the faculty. I had a lot of great professors here. Krishak is one of them. He's someone that went out of his way to make sure that students got the right education, that they're doing what they're teaching correctly, and they just truly care. And that's something that I know, talking to my other friends at other schools, that you don't get the same kind of interaction with professors as you do here, and that's something I'll miss too, for sure.
What I'll miss most about Stout is having access to all the labs to do personal projects, and as well as the things we did in class for learning, and when I was in California.
I don't know if I have a specific one, but all of my memories in the Involvement Center with all my friends that I made there, I'll remember them forever.
What I'm going to miss the most about Stout, oh gosh, it sounds so cheesy, but I think that Stout has become such a great community for me. There are some really incredible people here, as well as professors that have supported me throughout my entire time while I've been here, and I'm really going to miss that aspect.
Everyone in my family has always supported me here at Stout in all my endeavors.
Okay, so what inspired you to go to college?
What inspired me to go to college was probably my parents. They always told me that to exceed expectations and to get where I want to be, college is very important, and so that's something that's always been with me for my whole life, was I got to go to college, and I'm happy that I chose Stout because it's definitely the place where I need to be and where I wanted to be, and I could not go anywhere else.